Moving on to question 2C, which reads, Alpha Limited is in the process of automating its operations. State 4 types of office automation systems that the company should adopt. 4 marks. Types of office automation systems. Types of office automation systems. Types of office automation systems. The first one is known as the DMS. The DMS. That means Document Management System. Document Management System. The Document Management System enables efficient storage, retrieval, and management of electronic documents. It can help this company. This is Alpha Limited, which is in the process of automating its operation. The DMS system can help Alpha Limited to organize and access documents, to track versions, and even improve collaboration among the employees. So that's the first type of office automation system. Then the second one, workflow management system. The workflow management system, the WMS. This is the DMS. WMS system automates and streamlines business processes, which may allow Alpha Limited to define, to track, and manage workflows. It helps optimize work allocation, track also task progress, and improve overall process efficiency. Workflow management system. We may have email management system. Email management. The EMS. The EMS, email management system, provides features for managing and organizing email communications. This system can help Alpha Limited to handle large volumes of emails, to prioritize messages, and also facilitate effective communication within the organization. 4. Enterprise resource planning. The ERP. ERP, enterprise resource planning, is a system that integrates business functions, business processes into a centralized database. It may enable Alpha Limited to streamline operations, to manage resources efficiently, and also to facilitate seamless communication across departments. And the system can automate also tasks related to finance, related to human resources, related to inventory management, and other departments like procurement and more. Enterprise resource planning, integrated system. 5. Customer relations management system. Customer relations or relationship management system. Customer relationship management system is a system that may help Alpha Limited to manage interactions and relationships with customers, because it allows the company to track customer information, to track, to monitor what we call sales leads, and also to manage marketing campaigns and provide personalized customer service. And such a system can enhance customer satisfaction and improve sales effectively. These are 5 types of office automation systems. 5 types of office automation systems. Candidates were to give 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any 4 there would earn the 4 marks. Would earn you 4 marks.